What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about three of, in my opinion, the greatest, the biggest, or the newest hyped P2E projects. All right, that's play to earn. We're going to be talking about them now. I'm going to show you them. But disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. So let's get straight in. So up first, guys, it is the one, the only Axie Infinity. Now, this is, in my opinion, the biggest one on the market. All right, now overview of the website. We've got home, battle, land, AXS, news, marketplace, more up front. If you follow this channel, if you follow anything to do with NFTs, you will know what Axie Infinity is. Now, why is it so big? There's 3.6 billion traded on their in-house marketplace already. That's insane. All right, 820,000. The most expensive Axie ever sold is 820,000. That's insane. 2,800,000 daily active players. You can see this is huge. Now, I'm not here telling you that this is brand new, get in. This has been around. I'm telling you that if you're not already in, there's no wrong way to get into projects, whether they're brand new, which could be very beneficial, or whether they are long-standing and over 2.8 million players. All right, if there's a reason there's that many players, get involved. It doesn't mean that they can't earn anymore. You can earn just as much as you could when it first started, all right? Get involved. The website's super sleek, and it talks a little bit about it. So they're fierce creatures that love to battle, build, and hunt. You've probably seen videos online, all right? Build up a collection. You have to buy the NFTs for these, all right? And you get the play-to-earn feature. So it was one of the new play-to-earns when it first came out, and it's partially owned and operated by its players. So it's decentralized. Everyone's getting involved, and it's the AXS token. Now, the AXS token is actually pretty pumping right now. All right, you can play it and actually earn it in there. All the socials and all the links will be down below. This is what they look like. They're little Axie Infinities. You have battles with each other. You can go on an adventure, arena battle, or breeding. So you don't just have to get in the ring and fight. You can actually just go and walk around the Axie Infinity world, have a good adventure, and you can breed other NFTs. If you get bored of that, get in. Have a battle. Axie land, you can see here, you can actually buy pieces of the land now, so it's super, super good. That's why this is pumping up, and all of their, you can see Ubisoft being a partner, Samsung being a partner, things like that is why this is getting big. So that's number one for me, all right, Axie Infinity. Get on there if you're not on already, and if you are in there, let me know what Axie Infinity creature you got, let me know how long you've been in, and how big you sold an NFT for. Now, guys, number two on that big roster is Decentraland, all right, decentraland.org, links will be down below. It could be the biggest on OpenSea, the biggest on the NFT market space for land sales. All right, we do have Sandbox, which is massive, but decentralized, I think, will carry on going and take over. All right, you can explore. So all you got to do is click start exploring, and that will actually take you through now to the decentralized play. All right, all you do is connect your wallet, or you can play as a guest and carry on. You can download it for your Mac and everything like that. But I'm just going to take you a little bit through the website. So at the top, you've got the welcome. You've got marketplace builder, docs, events, deal, blog. You can join their Discord. All right, this is what it looks like. It's more cartoonized, all right, which is really cool, and you can actually dedicate to making your characters unique. Really, really cool, right? Their website hasn't got a lot on it on the front page, but if you actually go to start browsing, you can have a look at all their different things. So decentralized is a bit like Sandbox. You buy a bit of land, right? And you can actually go on that land and build whatever you like. And look how unique you can make your things, all right? You can get the dog head, right? So developers all around the world, anyone that can make NFTs and place them inside of Decentraland. All right, it's super, super cool. This is what the land looks like. All right, it's these little tiny squares. You click on one of them and see who owns it, or you can try and buy one. All right, so this is 1 million, which is insane. All right, you can see these massive world, the Genesis Plaza. God knows how much that actually costs, but I bet you it's a lot. Now, on the best side of Decentraland, you can play this, but you can actually be a builder. All right, what that means is you can go in here and start building what you need to. So tutorial scenes, tests, ultra modern, like, and actually get that into the game. People will start living in them, buying them. You get more features as you download them, of course. I've not got this on my laptop right now, but I do have it downloaded. It's super, super cool, and their DAO access is incredible, all right? They really do have a community of people, which is massive, that are getting involved. So what is the DAO? We all know it stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization, all right? It owns the most important smart contracts and assets that make up Decentraland, and everybody gets a vote in on it. Okay, so that's the basic of a DAO. Everybody gets a choice. Everyone gets a vote. You take part. You have ownership of this incredible project. All right, things you can determine: upgrading land, specific of dates, size of marketplace, primary sales, addition and replacement, community funds, application of mana, which is their token, MANA, which if you were following the crypto bull run, it was flying. All right, even when things like Bitcoin were dropping. So get involved and replacing members of the Security Council. It's incredible. So that's number 2. Decentralized should be on your list all the time. You should be playing Decentraland. It's incredible. Axie Infinity, Decentraland. Now, number 3 is going to be a bit special because I found something for you that you're going to want to see. Let's go. All right, guys. So number 3 is Chess Universe. It's at chess_universe. It's insane how much project hype we are getting. And it's probably due to the free mint. I'm going to talk about that straight away. All right, you're getting a free mint of these chess royal families. It's incredible, right? They're giving away airdrops, royalty rolls with events, collab opportunities, access pass, everything like that. All right, it's just truly insane. Now, this is a game that refreshes your childhood memories with Chess Mobile Game. This is their Instagram, chess_universe_the game. And you can actually have a little look at what's going on. So, of course, you're playing chess. Of course you are. All right. But it's got a bit of a twist to it. You can see the different characters and the things you have here. All right. You still play the classic game if you'd like to. It's got different kind of game modes, but you can still play the classic game, but with your own twist on it. Now, if I take you over to an app store, you can actually see you can download this for your app. This is what it looks like in here, right, on an iPad. If you check on one like on an iPhone, you can have a look and do this, and you're playing people online. It's just incredible. I just love the way that, look, they got the gold king, everything like that. It gives you a good twist, because I know I love playing chess, right? I do, but unfortunately I'm not that good and I do get bored. Now we've got this twist on it. It's going to be incredible. I'm super excited. All right, so that's what I said. All the links are going to be down below, but their Twitter's the main one, at chess_universe. Give them a big follow from us. Let them know you're from this channel. I'm super excited. Let me know what you think. Now guys, point to note on this, all right, it is going to be play to earn. So that means you're actually going to be playing chess and earning crypto. We have now dived into the Web3 verse of this. All right, so you're taking that school skill of playing chess, taking it into play to earn some money. Super interesting. You will also be able to earn in-game tokens, right? And one of the greatest things is if you get NFTs, if you actually get the good NFTs, it will enhance your chess experience inside there. So it will benefit from that too. Let me know what you thought of that, guys. I wanted to throw the chess game in at the end because I do see massive hype going about it. It's a play-to-earn chess game. It's incredible. I love the other two, Axie Infinity, Decentraland. They're massive, but we should be on your radar already. I wanted to make sure just to sweep up the floor, all right? If you love this channel, give us a like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.